The Janus Society was an early homophile organization founded in 1962 and based in Philadelphia. It is notable as the publisher of Drum magazine, one of the earliest LGBT interest publications in the United States and most widely circulated in the 1960s, and for its role in organizing many of the nation's earliest LGBT rights demonstrations. The Janus Society takes its name from the Roman two-faced god Janus of beginnings, endings, and doorways. The organization focused on a policy of militant respectability, a strategy demanding respect by showing the public LGBT individuals conforming to heteronormative standards of dress at protests. Due to its close ties with Drum, LGBT publication, and Clark Pollack's various sex businesses, the Janus Society faced increasing scrutiny and harassment from local, state, and federal authorities, eventually ceasing operations in 1969, weeks before the Stonewall riots after Pollack was arrested on federal obscenity charges. On Friday, February 21, 1964, President of the Mattachine Society of Washington, D.C., Dr. Franklin E. Kameny, gave a free lecture on homosexual discrimination at the New Century Club. This free lecture was sponsored by the Janus Society and talked about the fight against employment, education and housing discriminations against the LGBT community. Drum, usually written Drum, was an American LGBT interest magazine based out of Philadelphia. Published monthly beginning in 1964 by the homophile activist group the Janus Society and edited by Clark Pollack, Drum took its title from a quote by Henry David Thoreau: "If a man does not keep pace with his companions, perhaps it is because he hears the beat of a different drummer." Notes. References. Lowery, John, 1998. The Other Side of Silence, Men's Lives and Gay Identities, A 20th Century History. New York, Henry Holt & Company. ISBN 0-8050-3896-5. Street Matter, Roger, 1995. Unspeakable, The Rise of the Gay and Lesbian Press in America. Boston, Faber and Faber. ISBN 0-571-19873-2.